chocolate covered strawberries with the white squiggly lines. I'm Derrell Smith, owner of Amazeballs. I put this onto the burner, and all I want to do is just make sure it's nice and melted. It's just some water under here. You boil the water, and then you just put a bowl on top. Super simple. First, what I'm gonna do is take these, and this is why we get that stick. I'm gonna twirl that boy, nice and slow. Ooh. So when you think of something like a chocolate covered strawberry, they speak for themselves, so you don't have to say much. If I make these, I'm not touching them. Somebody gotta feed me these. All right, so a little chocolate on my finger. Let's get our white chocolate. All right, I'll dip it in here, and then you just go above it, and then you just go. You go to the store, you're gonna pay $30 for something like that, maybe even more. I'm going to put these into the fridge so they can firm up a little bit. Like I say, everything I do is amazing. We got some chocolate. The only thing that I do not touch is the chocolate covered strawberry, and you are not allowed to feed yourself a chocolate covered strawberry. That's weird. All right, let's eat some strawberries. Who's gonna feed me strawberries?